So hello everyone, welcome to the new video of SD Monk and not SD Monk. It is the video of Linux. After a very long time I am making the video. So first of all what I have to simply do is to open this virtual box and I have to simply open my virtual machine which is SD Monk Ubuntu. I have created this name, so I have to open this and by clicking the start button. In my case it is show because I have already opened this. So what I have to do is to go to the uh, virtual box, and that is the Ubuntu, and simply I have to just search for terminal. I have opened my terminal in my case, and first of all I have to just clear it. CTRL. Okay, this is so the first command in this video is who am I. So this command is basically print. This command will basically print the name of the device or the name of the user which you have given when you have created this virtual machine or the Ubuntu Linux. So in my case, it will print hdmonk. As you can see here, that here it prints hdmonk, and the second command in this video is ls. Here you can see d1, documents, music, public, template, desktop, downloads, pictures, snap, videos, etc, etc, etc. There are many folders, but here you can see these folders are present. So uh, what is the function of that ls command? It gives all the files or folder which is present in the provided directory. Okay, so ls can be used in different kinds, or ls can be used in different ways also. The first way, if I tell, is ls minus l. What will this ls minus l will print? Using this l, ls minus l, this will print all the contents along with owner settings, permissions, and with timestamp. Means if you will print this, it will print the time also in which the this file was made, what time the file was made. Okay, so I am pressing enter here, and you can see here this is one code actually, then hdmonk, then hdmonk, then there is a number 4096, then June, here is the time, and here is the folder d1. Here it is June 2, then June 1, 11:45, 11:45, 11:45 is the time. So this will print along with the timestamp. So this is the first use of ls minus l, or the ls. So the second use is ls minus a. If I press enter, you can see what are these files. These are the hidden files. That means the ls minus a will show the hidden files only. Okay, so this is the second use I am telling. The third use is ls minus s. So what this will print? Okay, I'm just pressing enter and I will see what just going to happen. Uh, this will printing uh, the 4 d1, 4 documents, 4 music, 4 public, 4 template, 4 desktop, 4 downloads, 4 picture, and etc, etc. So what are these? What is this? What are these files are? So this ls minus l is basically printing the files according to the size. In my case here all the files size are same. This will print from large to small. In my case all are same, so it is printing in same manner. Up to this is ls minus s. It can be used in many more methods, but I am not showing it. You try this at your home, means home. So up to this is my video. Try practicing this code at home. This is my video. So thanks for watching this video.